Ladies and gentlemen, hello to everybody. I hope you're doing great and feeling well. I'm Mary from Hyperpix Productions team, and I'm so glad and honored to tell you that after a while, we're back with an incredible free text effect for our users. After you acclaimed our free products in the latest years, we decided to start this again, powerful and with so much more speed. We decided to do this for you, so don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on our new and free products before everyone, and you can access them, download them, and use them in all of your personal and commercial projects easily and enjoy so much. So this product you're witness of, it works on all of the living languages in the world and also on any logo you can imagine. You can use this style. So just follow me to the end of this video and I'm going to show you how easy and just with a single click you can use this powerful and incredible product. So to download more and more products, just refer to hyperpix.net and you can enjoy our products. So let's get started. To edit the first and the main text, all we need to do is just right click on the yellow layer and select edit content. So in the window which appears right here, as you see, we have two texts right here, which easily you can just double click on each one of these layers and edit and change the text and customize. We have two texts with two different fonts right here, but you can just use one text or use both or any font you have in mind. So this font, which is used in the first text, if you pay attention, is created from serif and sans serif font. This font works like this, that if you type in lowercase, it'll be in serif, but if you type in uppercase or capital, it'll be sans serif. So I'm just going to type with a combination of serif and sans serif, as you see, which I think is incredible. To make it much more attractive, you can just select one character, make it an italic, just minimize it, enlarge it, or however you like. So the same with the bottom text easily. I'm just going to edit it and type my idle text right here. Here we go. I'm just going to decrease the size of the font, just drag towards up, bring both right in the center. So you don't need to do anything else, just make sure if your text are in the center. All you need to do is just close the window and click save, so everything's applied automatically and you can be witness of this magnificent result and style. Everything's applied automatically on my text without needing us to do anything extra. So now we're going to get on with the rest of the layers. We have two texts at the bottom right here, which you can just switch the eye off them easily. And you can have your style right here, which is brilliant, or you can just edit them, leave them remaining however you like. So we have our sparkles right here, guys. What the sparkles do, they're to give a beautiful light reflection to your text. You just need to select them one by one, drag them and place them on all the different parts of your text wherever you like. Here we go. Or if you like, you can just switch the sparkles off. It's all depending on your taste and your likings. So the effects folder, we suggest you to just ignore them. They create the main styles and main layers is created from many layers. Finally, we have the background folder, which is this light from the bottom right here, which you can drag it wherever you want, increase or decrease, just switch it off and don't have it there. If you want to have your style in transparent, it's so easy. Just to switch off the two background folders, and as you see, you're going to have a fantastic transparent style. And what this does, it helps you to use this text on any design you want, and just drag it and use it in all the different projects. So I'm going to do it right now and you're going to see how it works. So I'm just going to insert an image into Photoshop and I want to drag my text to that image. So to drag our text, you can drag it with the sparkles or just by itself. I'm just going to right click, select convert to smart objects, the same with the sparkles, and drag both of them and just insert and drop on top of this design and this image, and you see how easy and beautiful we was able to do this. So one more time, I'm going to drag on this design and you can see how brilliant our result is. We used it on one more image. I'm just going to minimize a little. It's absolutely beautiful. We brought the sparkles separate, but you can just have a control on them on this design as well, or just remove them, or edit the blending mode, and you can check out the different results which it creates for you, which is so attractive. So it's absolutely beautiful. We just close, come back to this window. I'm going to bring it as it was as default. Now I'm going to use a logo and convert the style to it. I'm going to see how it's going to work. So I'm come back to this window. I'm going to insert my logo. I'm going to use Nvidia Logo. I drag it right in the center. We don't need these two texts, just remove them. All we need to do is just close the window, click save, and we have our incredible style and result right here. As you see how fantastic our chrome effect is applied to our logo. We don't need these two texts, just remove them. All we need to do is just have a little patience and place the sparkles in their right place. I'm just going to minimize the sparkles a little. You can just remove a few if you want. I'm just going to leave one sparkle remaining, and by pressing the Alt button and dragging, get copies of the sparkle and place it in all the different parts of my text and logo, just as you see. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you like this product. To download this free product, just refer to hyperpix.net. And also, if you want to access more and more products, you can just join the VIP account, get the membership, and access all of our products. Also, our weekly updates, which is for our VIP members, which you can also access them products and use them in all your different projects and have so much fun. So thanks so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. If you like this product, just share it with your friends and wait for our future freestyles. But one more video from Mary.